So I'm standing in our shower, so I can actually show you guys something. But so we painted everything, got new light fixtures. It's really looking washed out because it's really bright in here. And we got new mirrors. We redid all the tile, and I added the shelving at the vanity, or there was a hole in it, and we put some really cute shelving and a spot for Beckett's his bath stuff and everything like that. I got a new shelf and this really cool thing from IKEA to hold all my makeup brushes and everything in it. That little egg thing had an air plant in it, but I killed it, so I'm looking for something to replace it there. We got some jade plants. Again, we're still looking for a few more accessories and everything like that. And then again, I don't know if you guys do this, but do you ever put up picture frames that don't have anything in them? I'm doing that just because I want to think about what I want in it, but I wanted to put everything up. So here you have the bathroom. So I'll do one pan up and down. Here it is. I'm sorry it took me so long to videotape it and get all the blog posts done, but there you go. Thanks everybody.